Hello, viewers. It is really a good opportunity to say something about the Innovation and Creativity Club, which was set up around 25 years back. Can you imagine the world class engineers and leaders being developed just by their course curriculum? No Abdul Kalam ji or Ratan Tata or Narayan Murthy or Sudha Murthy or Azim Prem ji, to name a few, could have come with just college studies. It is the embedded seed of innovation and creativity during college days which have made them giants. Because of the sensitivities developed through their cultural and other interests, they now stand out in the world as big philanthropists in addition to their great contribution as technocrats. Club started under the leadership of Vishal Garg and Chintan Surana. Vishal Garg is now leading innovation in Triple IT Hyderabad, and Chintan Surana is also doing very good work and is presently stationed in Bombay. Both of them are doing very well in their chosen disciplines. While going down the memory lane, I can fondly remember so many of the students who have contributed immensely to this club. There were contributions from Sachin, Rahul, Abhishek, Neeraj, Mitushi, Anit and Silky. It was a dream come true because when I was in college, I used to feel the lack of such an opportunity where students having different types of creative interests could interact together. So when the Dean of the Faculty, Professor D.C. Surana, gave me the opportunity to do something for the students, I immediately took up the opportunity to set up a club named Innovation and Creativity Club. The idea was that this club would help the students to come up with innovative ideas. We thought of taking up both technical as well as cultural activities. And the club grew by leaps and bounds. We also organized national and state level functions. We had different names given to those functions like Scintilla, like Panache and so on. So every year it was going on quite fine, organizing both technical as well as cultural events. And then there was a time when things got a little wavered, when students started focusing more on academics rather than on cultural activities because of the global recession and the challenges thrown by it. And then in 2011 we had a batch led by Akash, Yodhesh, Abid and all those people who came forward and revived this club. So immediately Pratibim, Alankar and Sargam took up the lead, and platform was provided for music, for literature and for the very coveted dramatics club, which was most prominent among all these. Then very soon Zenith, the dance club, and Kalakriti, the art and creativity club, joined in, and now more and more people are pitching in. There are people who are interested in spirituality, who are interested in entrepreneurship, and even some sort of creative innovation of technology. So they have also started pitching in and putting in their efforts in recognition of the feature of innovation and creativity that is nurtured in this club. When the club started again in 2011, we also focused on nurturing the younger generation who wanted to have some skills in these areas but had none. So the system of seniors guiding the juniors was started with regular classes in the afternoons for the juniors. This activity took even great heights when Sargam was led by Vipul, Pratibim was led by Vivek, Sayyid Sahabuddin was leading Alankar, and Zenith was led by Bhavesh. They took the club to much greater heights, and then we have seen so many young talents leading the clubs. by incorporating new and greater activities. The scope of these clubs increased tremendously by incorporating not only the Indian music but also Western, and incorporating not only Hindi poetry but also English, Urdu, Rajasthani, and even Dingal. It was really fascinating to see how the young girls and boys put in so much of effort to capture the various stages that they had opportunity of. For example, we had our club winning so many laurels, not only in the various colleges of Jodhpur but also at national level. Pratibim, Sargam, Zenith won laurels in MNIT, at the Modi University. They even went to represent the country at IIT Roorkee and so on. Pratibim was also invited by Nagar Nigam to conduct shows of Nukkad on voting. So Swachh Bharat, voting, ragging, all these issues plus many other issues related to the young ones were taken up by not only Pratibim in form of Nukkad but also by the young literates who wrote poetry as well as stories picking up these issues. And of course, the alumni function used to be resplendent with the activities of the club. So the entire alumni functions for Silver Jubilee and Golden Jubilee are remembered by those batches as a glittering example of creativity of students. An effort was made to create documentation of whatever we are doing in the form of Voice magazine. So it started with the position as a wall magazine where a few prints were taken and pinned up in all the departments. Later on we published a few issues and then it became the e-magazine which was shared on the web page. Each of these clubs have individual web pages which are managed by the leading students, and many of their activities are shared there. Now the club is moving to one step ahead. It is providing a common platform on the web in the form of mbmicc.org. Naman, who has graduated from this college in 2017, has helped the present day students, Jayesh and Vineet, to develop a wonderful place of connection for all of us. And I wish that all of you should come forward to display not only your art and craft, your talent, and also to sponsor the youngsters who are in the process of development of their creativity. This year we have seen the work of a final year team who have put in a lot of effort to take the club forward. I would like to specially mention Pratibim, led by Shubh Tambi and Gaurav and team, Zenith, Pragya and Priyadarshini along with their team, Sargam, Jayesh, Bhumanyu and team, Alankar, Gautam, Harshit and team, Kalakriti with Rishabh, Rajesh, Tanvi and others. And of course, the overall coordination among them was carried out primarily by Jayesh and Vineet. So it is really a matter of pride that when they are leaving the college, they are already way above what was given to them. So now it is the responsibility of the new team to carry the flag flying even higher. I invite all of you to come forward with your videos, your photographs, your artwork, your blogs, poems, prose, whatever you feel can be shared with the present day students and put them on this website. We will also invite the new students who will be joining us this year to connect through the medium of this website, because looking into the COVID situation, I am worried whether we will be able to organize the induction program in the way we have been doing it for the last 3 years. So the students can join the various clubs through this platform rather than through the induction program. That was the mode of joining the clubs earlier for the past 2 years. where we all will be able to join together and enroll and be a part of the entire fraternity, which covers various batches and which covers the entire spectrum of MBM over the last 25 years. So I welcome all of you to come and join this website and show your presence here. Join the various clubs through the website, and wherever you are, get again that feeling of being in college, being able to connect with your hobbies, and so on. Thank you.